பசிக்கும்போது மட்டும் உண்ணுவோம், உண்ணும்போது உணவை மட்டும் எண்ணுவோம். ஹீலர் பாஸ்கர். If you want to see this video in Tamil, the link is in description. Hi guys, happy evening to all. Most of our students studying currently didn't know about what is resume, curriculum vitae and biodata. Oh no! For some more minutes, I am going to explain what is an resume, curriculum vitae and biodata, and I am going to explain the differences among these. Right. Now firstly take about resume. Most of it pronounces it as resume, but it is not resume, it is resume. If we take it as resume means the synonym of resume is to continue, to go, or to carry on what we are doing currently. For example, if we do a particular thing and we stop it for a while, to continue the thing we use the term resume. Resume, please resume the thing you have stopped. That means to continue or to carry on. But resume means a thing that we hold in our hand while going to an interview, which contains all our data crisp and clear. Right, it is called as resume. The resume focusing on three main parts which would be present in our paper. First one is education, and next is skills, and thirdly employment. In education, we are going to explain what we have done before we get into a job. In likewise in our schoolings and in college life, it should be crisp and clear. Nextly, skills. What are the skills that we have done or that we gain should be listed below in a topic of core skills. Thirdly, employment. You should have to write your previous year experience, job names, and the key achievements you have been done while performing your previous jobs, and you must have to mention the duration of your previous jobs. These three things should have been presented in a paper with very short and clear cut form. Each resume should not exceed than one page. It should be within one page, containing all the above information as we discussed, but should in very short and clear cut format. Secondly, we are going to see about curriculum vitae. What is a curriculum vitae? It is an elaborated version of resume. It consists of nearly 2 to 3 or 3 to 4 pages, which consists of a detailed version of your life. For example, your education, while doing an education, what is your additional courses or additional activities that have been done during your education part. If you've done a research, you should have to include your research part in curriculum vitae, as well as your hobbies, activities, etc. It should include all your data, very short and clear cut format. Right. Every one of us must know that we should not attach your photo every time in a CV until they didn't ask your photo. Say for example, if an actor or actress or a advertisement model should have done their CV, means they should have to upload a photo. It should be necessary for them, but for a graduated persons, it is not necessary to upload a photo until they ask in the company or in application. Everyone must know this information. Unnecessarily, we don't want to add a photo in curriculum vitae. Third one is biodata. Biodata means you should have to give your personal data specifically, like what's your name, what's your father's name, what's your mother's name, what's your date of birth, what's your residential address, marital status, etc. In addition to that, if for example I am saying if a military man is applying for a biodata, means uh, he should also include his eyesight too, and also his weight, height, etc. These are the essential informations that has to be made in biodata. Okay guys, we are in a conclusion part and we are going to end this video. Before going to end this video, I am going to ask you one thing, that please ask you that did anything you gained newly from this video on seeing what I'm speaking about these three things. If you really gained something you didn't know that thing before, means please like this video so that I can easily understand that so much of people gaining a new thing by seeing this video. And if you want to ask anything to us, means you can comment below the video, and we try to answer your questions as soon as possible. Thanks for seeing this, by spending your valuable time right now. Thank you guys, thank you so much. Finally, give a like to this video if you gained anything from this video, and you